Hey, good morning. Happy Friday. Little week in review in the grain markets. The markets are just open and trading this morning. Crude oil, the WTI is at $69.51 a barrel. So we did break under that $70 a barrel, which was kind of a trigger. That was kind of an important level to break under. On December corn, trading at 442 this morning. That's on the upper end of the range for the week with an RSI of 37. And then November beans at 1149 and a quarter right now. That's also on the upper end for the week with an RSI of 48. Wheat, unfortunately, September trading at 590 and a half. That's on the lower end of the weekly trade with an RSI of 38. Export sales from the previous week was up on both corn and beans, down from on wheat. Crude oil traded lower. We just talked about that. Talking about how pretty much the war premium that was built in on crude oil is pretty much now all erased since we're below that $70 a barrel. Crop conditions on corn and soybeans are all unchanged compared to the week before in the good to excellent category. And a hot topic is the heat dome that we're supposed to see move into the Midwest. Now, the prices I gave you, most of them are lower on the week, and the question may be why. It is because of the rain that the majority of the Midwest is going to be getting this weekend before that heat dome hits. So just to let you know, here in Evansville this morning, it's been pouring down rain, which is kind of what we need to make it through that hot time, which is pretty much all next week. El Nino is starting to affect crops globally. Not only here in the United States are we seeing lowland flooding and destruction of crops, but across the world we're seeing that exact same thing happen. Next Tuesday, we have a USDA report out for planted acres, and we'll just have to see what those numbers come out with, especially, how many acres do they have on corn, and then did they increase the number on soybeans for this year?